In this video today, I will show you how you can become an online tutor who earns up to $500 weekly. But before I get started, I want you to understand that this company I am going to show you works for everyone who is willing to become an online tutor, no matter the country you are from, be it Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Philippines, and so on. It does not matter where you are from. So if this is your first time here, my name is Sam and I make videos about remote jobs and other online money making opportunity. So please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get to see my videos each time I upload them. I upload a new video every Sunday, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't get to miss any of my videos. Also, I need you to like this video. This means a lot to me. It will encourage me to make more videos like this one. So with this being said, let us get into the video. The company I'll be showing to you today is called Preply. This is where individuals who needs or wants to become an online tutor come to apply online. Please note that to apply as a tutor with this company is free. So if anyone is asking you to pay, make sure you don't pay such person. The first you want to do is go to this website, preply.com. Come down to the bottom of the screen and you will see Become an Online Tutor. Under this tab, you will see Teach English Online, Teach French Online, Teach Spanish Online, and Teach German Online. If you so much can speak these other languages fluently, I will recommend that you go for them. But if English is the only language you can speak, click on Teach English Online as I will do right now. When you click on that, you will see a lot of need for an English tutor, such as want help in studying English from a professional teacher online. Online English coaching with the tailored learning method is desired. I need to perfect my writing ability in English with an empathetic online coach. Online mentor who will help me improve my conversation skills in English is required. Need help in studying English from a perfect tutor online. I am looking for a native speaking online private teacher in English. I would like to boost my writing technique in English with an empathetic online coach. Urgently need an online instructor to learn English with regular reviews of my knowledge. And when you scroll down, you will see more of these needed English tutor online, and you can just click on any of the button to join now to apply. Now let us look into the frequent asked question. For the sake of this video, I am going to be reading out what is on this website. The first question says, how can I teach English online? For those of you looking for online tutoring jobs, signing up to e-learning platform like Preply is the ideal solution. With flexible hours, remote working, the possibility to earn good wages, and no degree required, the world is your oyster. All you need is a secured internet connection, computer, headset, and you are ready to go. Become an online tutor at Preply now to begin finding students. Now the next question says, can I teach English online without a degree? To teach English online at Preply, a teaching degree or diploma demonstrating your expertise in the subject area is required. However, no official qualification or professional experience are required for most subjects taught on the platform. Tutoring jobs available on our e-learning platform are open to any aspirant as long as they speak the language friendly or master the subjects they are teaching. However, some of the most experienced tutors either have a degree or possesses one or more of the popular teaching and language proficiency certificate. The most common ESL teaching certificates include TESOL, which means Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, TEFL, which means Teaching English as a Foreign Language, TESL, Teaching English as a Second Language, CELTA, Certificate in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. Similarly, the more common language proficiency exams include the IETS International English Language Testing System, TOEFL Test of English as a Foreign Language, and the TOEIC Test of English for International Communication. Aside from the aforementioned qualification particularly sought after in a teacher, learners also seek English tutor that can help them prepare for special English language proficiency exam or educators that specialize in a range of subject areas. They include and are not limited to English lessons for beginners or children, homework help, and conventional English. Alternatively, some learners required English for professionals and work and interview help raise other typically required English for studying abroad or traveling, and English literature or English as a subject. Finally, popular exams that learners often seek help for are the ACT English Test, ASAT Writing and Language Test, and the different Cambridge English exam, among others. The next question says, can you teach English online full-time? Teaching English online from home or wherever you are means that you can be flexible with the numbers of hours you work. There are approximately 1.5 billion learners across the world seeking to improve their English language skills, meaning that online English teaching jobs are not in short supply, especially for native speakers in the most sought-after countries, including the UK, US, and Canada. Around 92% of English tutors at Preply work up 20 hours up a week, rest 6% work from 20 to 30 hours. The remaining 2% work over 30 hours per week, demonstrating that teaching English online can be a full-time occupation, allowing them to earn a comfortable salary. Over the last few years, there has also been a boom in demand for online education, which continues to show significant growth. Great news for native speakers, educators looking to work as teachers remotely. Another frequent asked question says, how much do online English teachers make? In general, English tutors can set their own rate, so what they make depends on what they wish to charge and of course how many hours they dedicate to private tutoring per month. The average monthly income data at Preply indicates that online English tutoring jobs in the US can typically earn teachers from $138 for 10 hours or less to as much as $1,462 a month, working full-time hours with the optimal numbers per week corresponding to 30 to 40. A breakdown of potential salary per month is as follows. So here we can see the table of online English tutor average salary from average weekly hours to average monthly income. So let's see, from 0 to 10 hours earn about $130 monthly, and from 10 to 20 hours earn about 586 average monthly income. If you work from 20 hours to 30 hours, then you get $1,176 monthly, and from 30 hours to 40 hours, there you go, about $1,462 monthly, and for 40 hours to 50 hours weekly, you earn about $1,285 monthly. The average rate set by tutors at Preply is $19.37. However, the price that English teachers charge per hour really varies greatly. They range from $100 to as little as $2 an hour, with no shortage in demand by learners. Naturally, tutors with experience, certificates, speaking other languages, or that have expertise in different areas tend to charge and earn more. The language or subject area also greatly influence the rate set, with French teacher job and online German teaching jobs hourly earning averagely at $22.55 and $21.82 respectively, just as an example. The next question here says, how do I teach English online effectively? To teach English online effectively, preparation and great time management is key. Also, it's really important to find a reliable online platform for also free communication with your students. You can find further tips on how to teach English online in an handy Preply blog, Happy Teaching. Now, when I was making my research for this company, I chatted with their representative and I asked questions like, does this company accept individuals from Africa as tutor? And I was answered that they do, they accept tutors from Africa. So if you want to ask more questions, you can by contacting the customer representative by clicking on the question mark icon down the screen. Before I go on with the video, let me emphasize that I am not a financial expert. I am just putting this video out for educational purpose only. Also that I am not an associate or a partner of this company whatsoever. So before you join this company, please make your own personal research as well. Also, if you want to find out another way I make money online aside from working remotely, I make money online through Amazon KDP. If you also want to make money online and see results like this one and this one and this one, I recommend this course for you. This is everything you need to get started. Like they say, it is never good for a person to have one source of income. So with this being said, let us get back into the video. Now, to register as a tutor, go to preply.com and click on Become a Tutor. Enter your email address and create a password. You can also sign up with Facebook or Google. After registering, you will be able to create your tutor profile. You will be asked to enter some details about yourself, ranging from your name, country of origin, language you speak, and the subject you teach. Upload your profile photo, record a short introduction video up to 20 minutes long, write a profile description focusing on your skill and qualities as a tutor, verify your profile. Once your application is submitted, it will be manually reviewed by our Preply team. Please note that it will take up to 9 business days for the application to be reviewed. After the review, you will receive an email about the status of the application. Please note that according to the platform policy, there are some restrictions for applications. The applications can be rejected due to the following reasons: the applicant's profile dual, the applicant is under 18 years of age, the subject the applicant has applied to teach is currently in no demand among students. In order to comply with US regulations, Preply is not allowed to partner with nationals from the following countries or regions: Iraq, Sudan, Cuba, Syria, North Korea, and Crimea. Note, currently for tutors, it is possible to register only in desktop version of Preply. So this is all, guys. Thank you for seeing this video. If you want to know how to apply to become a mode without having to have any experience, any certificate, any degree whatsoever, and you want to become a mode, please click on this next video applying on the screen right now. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.